Insert your earth cable into the negative socket. Insert the electrode holder cable into the positive socket. Switch your machine on. Adjust the amps to suit the electrode required specification. Now enjoy your weld. You will need a cylinder of argon gas with an argon flow meter. You will need a TIG torch with a valve including tungsten tips and your filler material. To TIG weld with an arc machine, you will need to have your TIG torch plugged into the negative socket and the earth cable plugged into the positive socket. Set your gas to approximately 10 to 15 liters per minute. Now enjoy your weld.